There you are. Welcome back. Yes, as you can tell from the title, and because of the I want that in the beginning, this video does have something to do with Bobby Duke. Bobby Duke being a celebrated artistic creator here on the platform, but also we're calling this Hover Wewd, which means it's not just Bobby Duke, it's also the Hacksmith, a flurry of amazing machinists and electrical people and creators up in Canada, creating essentially Tony Stark's garage in real life. The I want that comes from Twitter. You see, a while ago, Bobby Duke tweeted out, "Hey Hacksmith, you complete me." And it was a screen capture from YouTube where one of his thumbnails was right above part 2 of the real hoverboard for the Hacksmith. It just made it look like a real person. It was Bobby Duke's top and what ended up being the Hacksmith down below for legs and a hoverboard. The Hacksmith did see this and said, "Hey, fun fact though, those are Jimmy's legs, not mine. I guess Jimmy completes you." XD, that's the emoji for, you know, the smiley cross-eyed. And then Bobby Duke sums it up saying, "Oh well, tell Jimmy he has nice legs." Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I loved how it synced up, which gave me an idea. I really did want that. So I contacted Garrett and Chelsea over at Coretech. And I told Chelsea, "Hey Chelsea, I have an idea. What do you think?" And Chelsea, in not so many words, said, "I could make that," which is incredible. And she toiled for just a few days and she sent me a screen capture and it was perfect. It was perfect. She sent it over, and the creme de la creme, the best part of all of this is that the file, the STL file, is called Hover Wewd. The next part was to actually print out Hover Wewd, and the way to do that was, in my opinion, resin. So what I did in the resin function was set up what I called Resin Island. Resin. And I actually tweeted this out. There are 9 resin printers currently set up and working in the resin room. There are 8 on Resin Island, and then the big one is kind of off on its own smaller island, I guess. But let's see if I can remember them off the top of my head. We've got the Anycubic Photon Mono. We've got the Anycubic Photon Mono SE. We have the Prusa SL1. We've got the Elegoo Saturn, and that's the north row. And then on the south row is the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro. And after that is the Frozen Sonic Mini 4K. Next to that is the Epax 3D E10 4K. And then next to that is the Anycubic Photon Mono X. And then the big one on its own little smaller island is the Puopoli Phenom Noir. So here's what I did. As I came in late one night to Resin Island and I started setting it all up. I used Lychee Slicer for everything except the Prusa machine, which I used Prusa Slicer for. And I set them to print, and then I went home for the night because I was tired. And I came back the next day and I got them all taken care of. In fact, watch this time lapse.
Hi, I'm Bobby Duke. If you're like me and sometimes wear clothing, then come on down to wewdshop.com and get yourself a Wewd shirt. Okay, thanks.
So the prints are done. They're sitting on top of the machines. I think we should go get them. What do you say? But to be fair, we have to do it in a way that Bobby Duke would probably be proud of. Here we go. Whoa! Look at how glorious that is. First up, we've got the Anycubic Mono, and it produced this. It is the Bobby Duke top, And it is the Hacksmith with Jimmy's legs on the bottom. The glasses are delicate, and so it's going to be tough to print those, especially when you have to remove support at the end. The Wewd on the shirt looks good. There's the belly button. There's some weird colorations here. It's almost like Hover Wewd had a bit of an accident. Look at that nose, look at that beard. The Wewd on the shirt is incredible. I think it looks great. Bobby belly button. Bottom is, well, the hoverboard could use some work. We'll have to have the Hacksmith work on that. This is the Hover Wewd from the Elegoo Saturn, and honestly, I mean, look at it. It's glorious. Look at the glasses are all together. The ball cap looks great. The nose and beard are majestic. Bottom looks, it's okay. But I mean, that's not what people see, right? They see this, and that's the look that everybody wants right there. I want that. This is from the Frozen Sonic Mini 4K. Bobby belly button check. How's the bottom? Okay, little chunky there, but still, the Hacksmith part is good. The Bobby Duke part is good. Oh, so close. The glasses were almost there. Almost there. Nose and beard, check. Backwards baseball cap, check. Wewd on the shirt, contrasty, just like it should be. Hey, the glasses are complete. Oh, that is wonderful. Wewd on the shirt. The rest, there's the legs. There they are. And the hoverboard section, that looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. What do we got here? Let's see what's on the bottom there. It's not terrible. I've seen worse. I would consider this to be a moderate success. So we've got 7 Hover Wewds here. 7 Hover Wewds. 7 complete 100% scale Hover Wewds. However, I mentioned I have a Pure Poly Phenom Noir, and it can print a little bit larger. I did it. I printed it larger. The problem is none of the curing stations I have will cure that large, so I had to take it home. So let's go home. Let's go get them, bring them back, and we'll have a look. Let's do that. This is a 200% scale Hover Wewd. There are issues though, and I really want you to take a look at those. First of all, these bobbies, they need to go to the side. This is Hover Wewd, 200% scale, printed on the Pure Poly Phenom Noir, and it looks as if we have an issue. So, big prints are cool. We can all agree on that. The issue we run into is supports on big prints need to not be so thick. I mean, it looks like a forest is like taking over. It looks like there's some sort of resin monster with tendrils coming up from the build plate trying to pull Hover Wewd back down to the ground. I can't even verify the Bobby belly button. You can see that it does say Wewd on the shirt. While this one is fine, right? It is an art piece, right? You create, it's an art piece. I'm still not satisfied, and I don't think this is right. So what I did is I printed it again, different support settings, 50% more scale, and it's, how does he do it? Anyway, here it is. This is, whoa, I mean, he's so big, he can't even fit in the...
Really? Nothing.
Looks like he's screaming. Ah! Ah, I even forgot a support back there. Look at that. But this is Hover Wewd. This is 250% scale Hover Wewd, printed in Coretech Fast Gray. All of these were printed in Coretech Fast Gray, but this one is the ambiguousest. Are some issues. I want you to be prepared. Look at the bottom. Oh, what happened?
Well, this is what happened.
What is going on there? So listen, I'm gonna powwow with Uncle Jesse because he knows his resin, and Greg I think it's Greg at 3D Printing Pro. These people are people that I'm gonna have to have a conversation with, because while the supports on this were over better, they just peeled off. The problem is the bottom looks terrible. Like the Hacksmith would never make something that looks like that.
Sometimes things don't exactly go to plan.
Regardless, what we have here is something special. And I need to know what happens next, because these are cool and these are cool, but who should get each? I would like to send something to the Hacksmith team, and I would like to send something over to Bobby Duke Farts, because I think they each deserve something from this. I'm kind of leaning on getting this one to Bobby, and maybe this one to the Hacksmith to create some sort of crazy trophy, and then the rest of these to the team. I don't know. But in the end, I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you could, leave them down in the comments down below. This was a lot of fun. And personally, I've met Bobby. He is a kind, sweet, generous, wonderful human who creates amazing, inspirational content. And I'm really, really hoping he's okay with us doing this. Because I said, hey, is this cool? It'll be a surprise. He's like, surprise me. Also, for everyone over at the Hacksmith team, I haven't met them personally yet, but everyone there seems wonderful. And once it's safe to do so, I have an open invite to visit them in the Great White North. And I really can't wait to make that happen. I want to tool around in that half-scale Tesla truck. The Cybertruck. That'd be awesome. Well, listen, give this a thumbs up if you thought it was cool. Share it with someone who you think might enjoy it. Practice kindness aggressively. Don't forget to hug each other more. And from a safe distance, high five. I was almost going to say, and from a safe distance, I want that. And I didn't. I get you some beauty shots, Sean. Beauty shots, Sean. Beauty shots, beauty shots, beauty shots of the Sean. Beauty shots, beauty shots.